Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Naila Felicia from ICT Business second class. Okay, in this beautiful chance for fulfilling my assignment in study of economic, I would like to explain to you about the introduction of economic. Economic is an unfamiliar word we have heard in every day, but do you know what economics mean? Okay, economics is a study academic looks at the production, distribution, consumptions of goods and services in society. There is goods and services in economic that divide into two. The first is good. Goods mean which is we can touch them, and it's basically for fulfilling the human needs. The example is like a car, an item of clothes, or furniture, or a food, and etc. And then the second is services. The services which is intangible, and you can touch them, but it giving the benefit for consumer. The example is like teaching. We get study in school, and then banking, or we can like insurance also, and etc. Then there is two types of final goods. The first is durable goods. Its example is television, clothes, gadget, or furniture, etc., which is haven't expired. And then the second is non-durable, which is have a short time. It's like fresh food and other food. And then there is an interesting thing when we study about economic. You will study later about behavioral economic, like unlike sciences, where if you are out on an experiment, the outcome will always be the same in economic, but we don't know how much will the outcome will be. And then there is in issues in economic studies is like allocation to share resources, where we get the resources for an item. And then economic goods, where did we get it, where did we get an item, or and then the third is free of goods, no need to any services or to obtain. And then what and how to produce it, and how many, and then for whom that's our product is of good and services product is for adult or teens or teenager, or for women or for men. It can be an issue in economic also. And then there is two disciplines or two scope in economics. The first is microeconomic, and then the second is macroeconomic. The first, microeconomic. What is it? Microeconomic is the study of economic in a small scale. It looks like the impact and the decision made by individual agents. The example is like a farm is considered to the main purpose of economic activity, which is to production of goods and services inside that. And then the second is macroeconomic. Is the part of economic that's concerned with large scale or general economic factor such as interest to other nationality productivity. There is an analysis tools which is we use for economic for anything, and it is mathematics economic, commonly used for an approach in economic analysis with use of the symbols and the numbers to bring up the problems, analysis, conclusion, and then the suggestion about an economic. And then economic model can show the statement of format whenever delivered through verbal, arithmetic, or mathematical over an economic theory. Okay guys, thank you. Maybe until here for my explanation about economic. I'm so sorry if there are any faults or deletion. I hope you can understand about economic well. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.